Tired of document chaos? Let's ditch the paper and dive into DocuSign. Today, I'll show you how to effortlessly sign in and unlock a world of streamlined document management. First, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, and type DocuSign.com into the address bar, then press enter to go to the DocuSign website. Look for the login button. It's usually in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You'll now be on the login page here. Enter the email address associated with your DocuSign account into the email address field. Make sure there are no typos. Next, carefully type your DocuSign account password in the password field. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so pay attention to capitalization. Once you've entered your email and password, click the login button to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Congratulations! You are now successfully logged into your DocuSign account. You can now access your documents, send out requests for signatures, and manage all your signature workflows. Feel free to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the different features. DocuSign offers a range of tools to simplify your document signing process. And that's it. You've learned how to securely sign into DocuSign. Now go forth and conquer those documents.